How do you upload a watermark? You go to your settings page and you have a field here called Upload Watermark. You click Update Watermark and you choose the image that you want. This is now the same image like here. You click Open and you'll see your image appearing here. Make sure that the watermark will be 250 pixels on 250 pixels with a transparent background. It's usually a PNG format. You save the changes. Now let's see how you use it in the uploader, or you can also quick edit. Full item edit will give you an option to add watermarks. So I'll go to the uploader and I try to upload this listing from Amazon. Go down to the image section. I choose to add the watermark to this image, for example. I click Set Watermark, and here I have my image with my watermark. I can now choose to delete this one. Why would you want to have your watermark on your images? Because it gives you more unique images. It gives the buyers a feeling of more security. For example, if you put your store logo here. And a very important note that basically black on white, according to eBay, you're not supposed to be doing that, but you will see when you start working that many other very successful sellers are doing so, and this is why we've added the option for you to the request of our customers. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next ones.